National President ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Nadda hapapan sengawi ki kampen roy hapo ka dong ka than chatai lammingi ulapan pau babaro ki jylla ki la don ya ka jya ko hapren ki jylla na ka banta ki kampen roy bakentop ya ka jylla Meghalaya ru kumjo henrei hangne ka bamsap ka dei ka mat ka bakta bahaya ka roy ka par ha ka jylla Hapakrana ka jingelang ban pelat pat ba ka vision document jong ka BJP na ka banta ki election arjar pulai Nadda ulapan pau ba ka BJP ka Kwah ba ka jylla Meghalaya kan lat na ki kam bamsap
I find that there is a competition now which has started taking place among the northeastern states for development. And Meghalaya also is trying to see to it to cope up with it. But here the corruption has been an issue which has been a hindrance as far as the development is concerned. So, as I said yesterday, that we would like to see that Meghalaya is corruption-free state, and that is what we would like to work for. And at the same time, we need a strong Meghalaya, and strong Meghalaya is possible with strong BJP. So this is what we would like to say. And here again I would like to emphasize that Meghalaya, capital M, Meghalaya empowerment, capital M, Modi, capital M, this is needed for Meghalaya, as you have to understand. If we want to go forward, we visualize Meghalaya as a mega Meghalaya. We have to think big. And for thinking big, we have to see to it that speed, scale and skill, all three has to be balanced and matched. And with this intention, we are trying to see Meghalaya.
The rampant corruption in Meghalaya has choked the development process in the state. Is this the Meghalaya we dreamt of? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, corruption-free Meghalaya, by bringing in new transparency law against corruption with total transparency in all state government dealing.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Meghalaya ka jingsngan ha ka imlang salang ningkong baro ki jingashan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansa kentiu sya ka siajar tingka sibenai kata kalong khat arjar tingka sisnem
hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang Shanya ka sharp jong phi haki artli ki sentiu bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC